Tonight in the Fox Files, prisoners will soon be getting those $1,200 stimulus checks. A judge recently ruled they are eligible.
Yeah, and it doesn't matter why they're in prison. All new at 10, investigator Chris Hayes found out how the prisons are now helping inmates get the money.
In Missouri, the Department of Corrections is making sure all inmates know they can get federal CARES Act stimulus money, and they're helping them with the forms to get this done. I talked via Zoom with the attorney who got this ruling.
Certainly, Congress had the ability to consider rendering people ineligible if they wanted to or thought that it was important, but they didn't decide to do that.
Yaman Salahi with the San Francisco firm Leaf, Cabraser, Hyman and Bernstein challenged the IRS, which in May posted on its website frequently asked questions. Question 15, does someone who is incarcerated qualify for the payment? The IRS responded, no. A payment made to someone who is incarcerated should be returned to the IRS.
We decided to take a closer look at the law that Congress passed and realized that there was nothing in there that supported the IRS's position. And so we felt very strongly that what the IRS had done was not lawful and was something that had to be corrected.
A federal court agreed with Salahi, ruling this month excluding incarcerated individuals from receiving an economic impact payment solely on the basis of their incarcerated status is arbitrary and capricious. Corrections officers and other prison workers then reported to Fox 2 that inmates must be told about this. We confirmed with the Missouri Department of Corrections that inmates are notified electronically through what are called JPay tablets, and the money will go into their JPay account.
The whole point of the aid package was to help people who were affected by COVID-19. Well, when somebody ends up in prison, their life does not end. They continue to have family members on the outside. They continue to have friends on the outside. They have children on the outside. Those people are paying the costs of incarceration thousands of dollars a year.
The level of conviction of an inmate has no bearing on this, even if they are serving a life sentence. It appears child support is the only expense that will be automatically garnished. Wrongful death claims and other money inmates may owe may not be intercepted unless victims take their own court action. For the Fox Files, I'm Chris Hayes.